Today we're going to build a circuit for our Wi-Fi router and UPS. Let's take a look at the 3D PCB file we've prepared for this project. By the way, uploading your Gerber files to JLC PCB takes just minutes, and you can have your custom PCBs delivered right to your doorstep in no time. If you're ready to take your electronics game to the next level, visit jlcpcb.com today. Plus, new users get a $54 welcome coupon to kickstart their journey. Alright, let's get back to the project and see how JLC PCB has helped me bring this circuit to life. After receiving the PCB, the first step is assembling it. We'll start by applying solder paste to the PCB and placing all the components in their correct positions. Next, we apply heat to ensure all the components are securely soldered. Let's double-check that every component is perfectly in place. I'm missing the LED component for this build, so I'll leave that part incomplete for now. But we can still test the PCB to see if it works as expected. Yes, the circuit works perfectly. JLC PCB has once again delivered a flawless PCB, making this project a success.